unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A dry cough feels tickly and doesn't produce mucus, usually caused by irritation or allergies. Meanwhile, a wet cough brings up mucus to clear your airways during infections. Knowing this helps you choose the right treatment or decide when to see a doctor. If your cough is dry and persistent or wet with colored mucus, get checked promptly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.